is Liz, and yes, guys, welcome aboard. How are all of you? I believe what we're doing right now, we are going to do a new artist, and guys, because if you ask for something, guys, you know that you're gonna get it. It may take a while for some, but one thing's for sure, you're going to get it. If you're not getting any of your requests, it means it's being blocked. Okay? Or not, I have not yet gotten to that video as of yet. So it's either of the two, but one thing's for sure, all of them are on my to watch list. Okay, so yes, guys, this is so what's the name of the so I think there are a bunch of people here. I'm not so sure, to correct me if I'm wrong, and I do believe this is from Indonesia as well, because I'm kind of like familiar with the words that you guys use. It's been quite a good while, and we've gotten close, y'all, right? So yes, Diskoria, Lalilmanino, Ivasilia. Okay, the title of this is CHRISYE, CHRISYE, something like that. So it's an abbreviation of some sort. Guys, before we dive into this one, may I remind each and everybody to please support the artists that we react to. In this case, Suara Disko. I'll be linking their official YouTube account on the description box below, as well as the link of the video that we're about to see. And hopefully this won't be copyrighted. If it will, please do understand if I blur it or lower the volume of this one. It is all because of copyright reasons. Please do understand that, just in case. Okay, so yes, hopefully not though, but yes, guys, do support them, okay? And yes, while we're talking about support, why don't we try to support one another? Let's try to be kind to the people around us, be kind to our neighbors, to our fellow man, and who knows, by that simple act of kindness, which is free, by the way, we might create this phenomenon that everybody wants to be kind, and who knows, guys, we might influence everyone. Guys, come on, let's give it a shot. It's for everybody's sakes, right? And also, one more thing, may I ask one more thing from you all? Please always be safe, always be healthy, and let's all be happy. Yes, that's important, for real, man. What's life if you're not happy, right? So yes, 1, 2, 3, play this. Oh, I thought this was a sad song. Let me see if this has CCs. Oh, there's I love the beat.
Andai aku bisa menjadi seperti yang kau minta, ku jadi Jupiter kala cinta menggoda. Tak peduli jika surga dan neraka tak pernah ada, yang penting kau ada, meski tanpa kisah
70s to 60s, man. Those are like the best time ever, I believe.
Hanya kesedihan lain. Cintaku bertubuh harap yang tak ada. Rintihan nada asmara. Ingin ku kembali ke masa remaja. Serasa gali dan ratna. Yang ku mau kau untukku. Meskipun kau tak rindu. Engkau aku suka. Cintaku bertepuk harap yang tak ada. Rintihan nada asmara. Kau kehidupanku. Meski kau tak tahu. Ada aku di hidupmu. Yang ku mau kau untukku. Meskipun kau tak rindu. Engkau aku suka.
I love that. Aww. So warm.
Cintaku bertepuk harap yang tak ada. Rintihan nada asmara. Ingin ku kembali ke
I love this. I love this. This is such a bop.
serasa gali dan ratna. Yang ku mau kau untukku. Meskipun kau tak rindu. Engkau aku suka. Aku ingin
Oh, we're scared for him.
bebas semerbak percik pesona. Wahai angin mana, bantu aku berdoa. Meskipun hidup ini terlalu, ku yakin badai pasti berlalu. Lilin kecil pun merayu.
Oh my god, this is so much fun. This was such a fun. Oh my god, this is such a treat, y'all. Come on. Guys, what was that? Oh, it was so much fun. I enjoyed that. I love that. I thought for a while I was not reacting. It was such a vibe. I was having such a great time, you know? Guys, it's true. There's always a child in us, you know? So no matter how old you get, no matter whatever situation you may be in, there's always going to be that child in us. So once in a while, let the child out, you know? Be crazy. Go crazy. Be spontaneous. Be happy. And you just be yourself, you know? Once in a while, you know, forget about all of those responsibilities, those liabilities or whatever. Just let loose and be free for once in a while. I'm not saying that you should do it every single time, because that's not a responsible adult should be doing. But yes, once in a while, let the child out to be, you know, to have fun, be happy, and be merry. Oh my gosh, this is such a wonderful song. And I was like holding my cell phone right the entire time because I was doing the translation. And although it's not really like, it's like a, you know, a one-way love kind of thing going on. But what do I enjoy about this is the fact that, you know, regardless, he's enjoying or they are enjoying the fact that love exists, that memories does exist, and no matter what life awaits us, every single day is always going to be a gift, a new adventure, you know, for everybody, really. And life is beautiful, man, no matter how tragic it may be. But at the end of the day, life is beautiful if we just all stop and smell the roses, don't you think? Guys, I did enjoy this. I love this so much, guys. Thank you for requesting this one. I had a blast. And yes, guys, once again, please don't forget to support them. I'll be linking their official YouTube account on the description box below. And yes, once again, always be safe, always stay healthy, and let's all be happy. Until next time.